Hello guys, so today we are going to see Let's Party problem, and in problem description it is given in dance land one person can either party alone or can pair up with another person. Can you find in how many number of ways they can party if there are a people in the dance land? So in the question it is clearly mentioned that we can party alone or we can party in the pair. Okay. Suppose if there is one person, then total number of ways is one, and that they suppose there is two-person, then how many total number of way they can party? There are two way. Either they can party alone or they can party in pair. Suppose, okay. Suppose there are three-person. Okay, one, two, three. Then total number of possible way. Either all three party alone, or one to find a pair, or bring a means one to make a pair, and three is alone. Third possibility is one three make a pair, two is alone, and fourth possibility is one is alone and two three can make pair. And suppose if there is two input, and person name is one, two, and total number of possible ways will be either they party alone or they can make a pair. Okay, it is clear. So how to solve this type of problem? And yeah, I have to return answer in modulo 10003. So I already assigned modulo of 10003. Okay, and int dp. So clearly it is dp problem. You can see for number of ways, if there are three people, then total number of way are this. Suppose if there are fourth people, okay, fourth people is coming in the party. So what are total number of way? Either he can, this person can form pair from I minus one element, means if there are already three person and fourth person is coming, then fourth person is seeing, oh, how many number of people are there? There are three people. So he can make pair with anyone, or there is second option, he can enjoy the party alone. Okay. So I assigned one DP array of size a plus 1, and in DP0, suppose let's talk about base case. If there are zero people, then total how many ways they can enjoy the party? It is zero. There is no way to enjoy the party. If there are one people, then how many number of ways they can enjoy the party? They can enjoy party in one way. And if there are two persons, then how many number of ways they can enjoy the party? Two way. Either they will form a pair or single. Okay. Now I will iterate over the DP array. I less than L plus 1, I plus plus. Suppose one person is coming at ith index, then total number of possible way he can party. And if he ith person came and he want to enjoy the party as alone, then there are total number of way. Total number of way will be dp of I minus 1. Means he will enjoy the party, and similarly the number of way I minus 1 will be party. One pair, one people is coming here and he will also enjoying the party alone. So total number of way, the number of way such that I minus 1 people are partying. So if this person want to enjoy the party alone, that it will not affect our answer. Suppose he want to enjoy a party in the pair, and if he is coming with at ith index, then he can form pair with total I minus 1 person will be there. I minus 1 person is already there and ith person enter in the room. He will select any one of the partner from I minus 1th element to make pair. So I will multiply with I minus 1. Okay. I minus 1. And if he will form a pair with I minus 1th person, then total number of way possible for party, that is dp of I minus 2. Means I minus 2 people are, he will select one people and remaining people were I minus 2. So I will multiply dp of I minus 2 in our answer. So if any person coming at ith index, how many number of way are there? Either means party with I minus 1 people and ith people is partying with alone. And second way is I will select anyone from I minus 1 element and number of multiply by number of total ways how such that I minus 2 was partying. Okay, this is our answer. But In question it is given that I have to return the modulo of 10003. So I will do one thing. In for loop, I will do percentage mod, and here also I will do percentage mod. Since mod can be used, any mod is associative community associative in the nature, so I can do percent mod, and I will return dp of I such that dp of I equal to dp of I percentage mod, and I will return dp of a. Let's see whether it is working or not. This is quite a simple question. If any person will okay, L plus 1 is not in the scope. Okay, I have to select I less than a plus 1 since there are a person in the room. So for 17 it is giving me incorrect answer. Why it is giving me incorrect answer? Plus okay, I have already assigned for 2, so I have to iterate the loop from 3. Okay, since I already added dp of 2 is 2, so I have to iterate on dp array with I equal to 3. And now our answer will become, yeah, I am getting the correct answer. So again see the approach of the question. What I did here, actually here, if a person is coming at if a person is coming, ith person is coming, and if he want to enjoy the party alone, so total number of way will be how the number of way is the number of ways such that I minus 1 are already partying. Okay, so I added this. And second, if he want to be pair, then total number of way he will select any person from I minus 1 from I minus 1 people, and then I will multiply the number of ways such that I minus 2 are already partying. So this was our solution for the question. If you like this video, then give me thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Okay, till then, bye bye.